Hello friends, myself Vaidya Jayesh Thakkar, practicing Ayurvedic doctor, Jai Ayurveda, Kolkata. Friends, today we'll be discussing on prevention of chronic disorders by means of diet and lifestyle. Chronic diseases. What are chronic diseases? According to the definition, chronic diseases are the diseases which are older than 3 months, and a person suffering from this is not getting a complete result. With time, depression or a dissatisfaction sets in. It is said that there is no solution to chronic diseases. Chronic diseases includes most of the diseases which we are today finding as a challenge, from asthma, COPD, diabetes, arthritis, kidney disorders to skin problems. The list includes endless number of diseases. Today, the world is looking for a solution to it, and Ayurveda seems to be a hope for it. Well, Ayurveda, the science of centuries, is the science which is not only talking about the medicine and treatment, but it's a science which speaks on diet and lifestyle. You'll be surprised to know that this science, as we commonly believe any medical science would be having a list of medicines or list of diseases in it, but after the introductory chapters, Ayurveda text starts with Dinacharya, Ritucharya. Dinacharya means how should we spend our day, our day-to-day activities. This is what it is discussed by the Rishi scientists. It's surprising why they focus so much on diet and lifestyle. It is said in Ayurveda verses, one of the slokas goes on saying that even if the proper treatment is given, but proper diet and proper lifestyle is not maintained, there is very little chance of improvement. In words of Ayurveda, this is Pathya and Apathya. Pathya is something which is going to be benefit in healing a disease, and Apathya is something which is to be avoided. Now say for example, the principle of Ayurveda, which is based on the 3 dosas, the Vata, Pitta and Kapha. This is again correlated from the 5 basic elements from which everything is being made. The treatment follows a basic principle of antagonism. That is, if you are feeling cold, you need to take warmer things. It can be a warm food, it can be a warm dress, right? And that is the principle which follows even in chronic disorders. If a person is suffering from arthritis, say it's Vata dominance disorder, anything which disturbs the Vata or which aggravates the Vata will further aggravate the disease condition. Say for example, staying awake in the night is a Vata aggravating factor. So an arthritis patient, if he stays awake in the night and takes medicine properly, despite that, there is very little chance of improvement. Now, the Vata, if it has got a coolant property in it, say the cold tendency of Vata is aggravated, then the treatment, the 4th principle goes, you need to treat with methi, ajwain, dry ginger, soont, all this which are hot in potency. So the principle is very simple, that treat in a such a way that the root cause of the disease is being checked. And it's very true, when you don't treat a cause, how can you heal a disease? The diet and lifestyle is the focus which we should all come back to. With time, our treatment really needs to be thought over, and a proper diet and lifestyle according to the principle of Ayurveda needs to be followed. Hope we all try to look for a new angle of treating these chronic disorders, which is really a challenge to win over. Diabetes is itself a lifestyle disorder. Our wrong diet, our wrong lifestyle is causing the disease. Now, say for example, if we check our diet and lifestyle, the diabetes can be in our control, right? So friends, it's a great time that we all look to the Ayurveda principles and find a solution for diseases in this world. Thank you, and I'm grateful to Mitra Eyes Foundation for providing me this opportunity to be with you today. Have a nice day.